Hey everybody, it's the System Administrator, and we're going to talk about creating and sharing files and folders on the OPA Drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by logging in to OPA Online. Of course, it's always a great place to start. And go to the Resources for Members menu item. Scroll down to OPA Drive. Get into the drive. You're going to start out in your dashboard, and you want to go up to Files. Now, in the top left here, you'll see a little home icon and an add icon. And if you click the add icon, you can start by uploading the files to this home directory. You can create a new folder here, and you'll also be able to create a Word document. You can create a spreadsheet from here, and you can also create a PowerPoint presentation or just a straight text document. And there's also a whiteboard feature. It's all very cool, the drive. Anyways, what we want to do is create a new folder, and then we will subsequently create a new file. So we're going to say my new files, and I'll hit the enter button, and now I've got a folder here called my new files. And as I mentioned before, from here I can start a document, my new Word doc, and if I do that, it says the file is created. That's confirmed over here. And I can start editing here. Add my content to the Word document. Pardon my atrocious typing skills. And then once all that's done, this thing auto-saves, so you don't have to worry too much about making sure that your document's saved while you're working. As you can see, this is already kind of grayed out, so it's done saving. There's a little icon up here on the top right that says Open File Location, so you can go back to the main folder. So please keep an eye on that. You can also favorite this file. So I'm going to go back, and there's my new document that I created in my new files folder, which is cool. The other really quick and easy thing that you can do is you can drag and drop. So here I've got a bunch of files, they're video files in this folder. I'm going to take this very short one that was actually a mistake, but it's small and it goes fast. So let's do that. And look how fast that uploads into the drive. So now I've got my new Word document, I've got my new video file. I can rename it. So always file operations are accessed through the little hamburger. It's a sideways hamburger, but it is a hamburger, the 3 dots. So from here I can rename it to video with an error. And there you go. Now it's got a new name. I can also share this file in particular. I can find people, so I can share it with the president, I can share it with the secretary, and the treasurer, and the chair of education, all kinds of people, so that they have access to it. So there is the share functionality. Also, from here you can check the share levels. So if I shared it with the president, I could allow him to edit, I could allow him sharing, I could set an expiry date, or I can disable allowing sharing and disable allow editing, so that he can only read this file, but he will have access to it. I can also unshare it from this person if I don't want them to have access to it. And then the other wonderful thing you can do, if I go back now, is the My New Files folder. If I just want to move this to somewhere a little better and organize stuff, I'll click Move or Copy, and I'll go down to this guy's folder, and I will move it there, and now it's moved out of here. And if I go into Sean's stuff, there's a folder there called My New Files. I can also share the entire folder with whoever I want. So up here at the top, where I have my home button and the Sean Stuff folder heading. If I click the little share icon next to that, then my share options come up again, and I can simply search for somebody to share it with. I can share it with anybody as long as they're a member of our OPA network and have a working account on the drive. I'll be able to share it directly with them. And that's it for the creating and sharing files and folders tutorial.